Okay, we were just had cardio drumming. We are like in the middle of a tornado, and like all I'm thinking about is like going home and eating my asparagus. What are you thinking about?
Making sure my baby gets home safe.
I'm low-key just
driving from work.
I want to go out there and like see if I can see what the storm looks like, but like I'm like being held hostage in the basement. But this is real time. Midwest Energy. I mean, Midwest Energy is my company, but Midwest Real Time. We are in a basement because the tornado is coming.
Ooh, what's that?
Like it's hailing.
This is the most I've ever been in our basement at the house.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Kind of get against an exterior wall. It's coming now.
There it is.
The thick of this.
It's coming down.
Oh, okay, now it's
People on the phone, it works.
361.
Okay, I think it passed us. I don't know.
What's it say now?
It said emergency tornado alert.
How do you guys feel in this like tornado going on?
Nervous.
Well collected.
Okay. It is coming down. It is coming down. I snuck upstairs really quick. And that was the tornado. I'm headed home and it is like so eerie. Wow. It is crazy. Wow. It's a double rainbow in the sky. You can barely see it. Like, look at this. It is so creepy though. It's so dark and like it's so eerie right now. It's creepy. What a Tuesday! Okay, so the tornado, I think I am like south of where the tornado's at. It's like heading towards my house and I'm like heading towards a tornado. Oh my gosh, Steffi's behind me because she lives by me. And like, so we are, let's see, like this is crazy. I don't know. This is wild right now. Like, I don't know how I feel. I just feel like I'm just ready to go home. But this is pretty cool because I grew up watching Twisters, so I feel like a storm chaser right now. Also, there's not many cars on the road at all. Like I think everybody's like seeking shelter, and maybe I'm in the eye of the storm right now because it's calm, but like look how dark it is. It is creepy dark. Like it is creepy. Look at that. That's to my left, and this is to my right. The sun's out. This is so crazy. Look at that. It is so creepy. Yo, I think I'm in the eye of the storm. I'm pretty sure I am. It is like the feeling I have right now, it is so eerie. Okay, like it's starting to pick up, like it's the rain is starting to rain again. It's starting to rain harder. I'm trying to see if I see any funnels. I don't see any funnels, so I mean that's a good sign, right? Yeah, it's starting to come down more. Okay, I made it home. Nothing happened. No trees down. And let me get in the house. It's raining. The sky. Yeah, it's all right. I can make my asparagus now. Yum.